Meet your customer and wear your gloves. Place the sanitary paper and cutting cape around his neck. Next, make a diagnosis. After listening to your customer's needs, propose your advice based on the shape of his face. In this case, you want to trim his beard into a rounded shape yet tight at the sides, while also shaving off at his cheeks. Recline the chair and place a terry cloth on his chest. Cleanse the beard with Framesi Barber Gen Dry Cleanser. Rub it in until the beard is dry. Now, wet the beard with a sprayer and go on to apply Framesi Barber Gen Hair and Beard Natural Cleanser for a gentle, deep cleanse. Evenly massage the face in lengths with your fingertips until the product lathers into a rich foam. Remove the product by gently rubbing the beard with a warm cloth. Put a lukewarm cloth on the customer's eyes to keep him relaxed. Then massage Framesi Barber Gen Hair and Beard Natural Balm into his beard, while untangling it with your fingers and making the product soak in. Keep massaging the lengths while slightly parting them, while you let the product soak in with the help of steam for deeper hydration. Gently remove any dampness with your hair dryer and use a brush to add volume to the beard. Trim the beard into shape with the help of clippers, while removing any stray ends. Use a precision trimmer to trim and tidy up around the sideburns and the moustache. Finish off by cutting off any stray edge with your scissors. Take a new blade and a sterilized razor. To redesign the beard line, apply Framesi Barber Gen Beard Oil on the skin that you're going to shave on, as it will moisturize and soften the hairs for a smoother, more comfortable shave. Steam the customer's face to unclog the pores, so you can go deeper with your shave. Shave with the grain. Finally, moisturize all of the beard with Framesi Barber Gen Beard Oil to leave it soft and fluffy. Make sure the result is well balanced and there are no stray hairs. End the ritual by spraying Framesi Barber Gen Ice Tonic on the customer's face, then gently blowing some cool air with your hairdryer to treat him to an additional fresh feeling to soothe any redness and leave his face firm and toned.